Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if Facebook is not loading. So first, go to your settings, then scroll down and go to general. Next, go to iPhone storage. Once you're here, scroll down and click Facebook. Then you can delete app or click offload app. So if you click offload app, this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. So click offload app again to confirm the action. So once reinstall app appears, click on that. Then just wait for it to finish reinstalling. Once done, open Facebook and see if that works. Next is to close the Facebook app completely. So swipe it up and swipe it away. Then reopen it and see if that works. If you're using a browser, you can refresh the page or try opening Facebook in a different browser. Next, make sure Facebook app is updated to the latest version. So go to App Store or Play Store, then search for Facebook and update it to the latest version. Once updated, open it and see if that works.